I can't believe meron pang ganitong lalaki. I have been in a relationship with this guy for 2 years now, and it's so healthy. Way back April, we got drunk and a friend's house and shared a room since kami yung magjowa. Kami daw yung tabi matulog doon. He always mumble things when he's drunk. Pero in that night, he made me cry. A happy cry, kumbaga. I got up from the bed to pee, then came back sa arms niya because I'm so tipsy. Siya bangingi talaga. To give you some BG or our RS, we were never toxic. Lahat ng away namin petty lang. No one's controlling. We have our individuality despite being partners and wanting to be with each other all the damn time. He supports me in everything I do and urges me to try things. Get out more, have fun, and all that like. I'm so assured by him na whatever happens, at the end of the day, we're still gonna be together. So don't worry about me. Walang bahid na toxic masculinity. He also a feminist. That night, he was just sleeping and randomly talk/mumble something. At first he said, "Your hair smells nice." Dinadma ko lang kasi lagi niya sinasabing, then he hugged me tight. Parang alam ng subconscious niya na ako talaga yung katabi. Then he then said, "You know, I'm gonna work hard for us so I can give you the life you deserve. The life you don't even have to ask. I'm gonna work so hard, okay?" Naluha ako sobra. Kasi I grew up in a dysfunctional household and I was growing up when my parents totally separated. My mom raised me to be independent and I've always been proud of it. But hearing those words from his made me melt so much. I love this man to death. I'm not a fan of weddings or marriages because of what happened to my parents. But he got me thinking of white dresses and shit. I'm gonna marry him someday. P.S. I never told him this or anyone kasi I wanna keep this all to myself. Sana hanggang mamatayin ako. But here it goes.